everyone, welcome back. So in this video I'll be showing you how to make this bracelet right here. So this bracelet has beads in the middle, has a beaded sliding part, adjustable for you to put your hand in and wear it, and also the ends are some beads. So I'll be teaching you how to make bead and knot to the bracelet. So right now, get your base string, which is the white string, which I use. So you just need to bead it in order. Once you're done beading, you'll have a purple and pink bead left, a larger gold bead, and two smaller gold beads left. And we'll need to find the middle of the base string. So put two ends of the base string together. And then slide your fingers to here. And now you can see we find the middle and push the beads in the middle. So this is the middle. Right now, you have to tie a simple knot. So you use your right hand to hold the string, use your left hand to hold it like this, hold it here, and then go over, and then go under, get your string, and then pull. So now you see a loop. And then tie it as close to the golden bead as possible. And then pull it. See? Now we'll do the other side the same. So now you're done. Now we'll go on to the knotting part. So this is a square knot. I'll be teaching you how to make a square knot. I've taped my bracelet on the table with sewn tape. And then now, this is the pink part. I'm right now going to use my pink string to tie the knot onto the side. So get your string, put two ends together, find the middle, and then move up a little bit, and then we will place it under the white string, place it under the base string, put the bottom string on top of the colored string, and then get the bottom string through the hole. Now pull. Okay, now we find the middle. Put two ends together, pull it. Okay. Pull it. And then put it near the top and then tighten it. And then push it back. So you can see this right here is on top. This knot is on top right. We will be getting the right hand side string, this string, on top of the white string, and then put the left string over this right here, and then put it under the white string, and then get it through this hole. Like this, and then tighten it. So now you have your second knot. Now, as you can see, we have the knot on top of this side right now. This side. We will be getting the left string over the white string, right string over the colored string, put it under the right white base string, and then pull it over. You're gonna repeat this process for so many times, but remember, do it both sides or else you're gonna have a spiral shape. Okay, so right now you get the right string over the white string, put your left string over the colored string, put the colored string under the white string, and then pull the string upwards from the right hole, and then tighten the knot. And then do your left side. Put your left string over the white string. Put your right colored string over the colored string. Put it under the white string and then through the hole. And then tighten the knot. So repeat this both sides, then you'll have this result. So once you're done with everything, you put it in your wrist and check the length. Right now, you'll cut the colored string off and then leave a little string sticking out. Then you'll use fire to melt the edges, only the colored string edges, and then stick it back onto the bracelet. Do this in a good ventilation area and don't burn yourself. So now you get the bigger gold bead and put it in one end of the bracelet. Then you put the other end the opposite way, then you get this result. Adjust the strings until you can place your hand through it. Now you're going to tie a simple knot as close to the gold bead as possible with both strings. For the last part of the bracelet, we're going to be making the ends of the bracelet. So grab the beads you like, put it in, push it to the knot that you tied before. Then you have to tie 2 simple knots at the end of the beads. Once you're done, cut the excess string out. Remember to leave a little string sticking out. Then use fire to melt the edges and stick it close to the beads. So you're done making this bracelet, and I hope you've learned how to make this through this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!